Watch this video and learn how to draw a giraffe. Later in the video, Artie has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie take a potty break. Ooh. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone, it's Artie's show!
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
What should I draw?
Hello, Artie. Artie,
Hello.
let's do a drawing
Yeah.
of a giraffe.
Yeah. Oh, I would love to draw that. Yeah. Ooh, I'm excited.
I'm pleased.
Good day, Artie!
Hey there, Artie.
Are you ready to create some art?
Ready?
Do you remember what we're going to draw?
Yeah.
An animal.
Yeah. Oh,
Are you excited?
I can't wait.
Let's begin.
Yeah, let's start. Okay, drawing time.
I wonder what Artie is going to draw today.
We're going to start by drawing our giraffe's eyes right near the top of the page in the middle. Two little oval shapes. One on the left. Now draw a little circle in the top of the oval and shade it in black. That's it. Now let's draw the right eye. Draw another oval shape. It looks like he's peeking at you.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Don't forget the little circle in the top of the oval. Now let's draw two little circles for his nostrils. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a message from Bunny Fluffington.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thanks, Bunny. That was very helpful. Okay, Artie. Now let's draw a big oval shape around our giraffe's nostrils. Do it in sections. That's it. Now let's add the right side. Come around and up. And then one more section and it'll be complete. Oh, here's Bunny. Hi, Bunny.
Hi, Artie!
Hi.
Oh, your art makes my whiskers wiggle with joy!
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye!
Bye.
Now let's draw the top part of our giraffe's head. A curvy line coming up from the left side of the nose, across the top of the eyes, and then all the way back down and connect to the right side of the nose. That's it, Artie.
Oh, dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah, let's have a dance break. Yay.
Yes, but we're in the middle of the drawing, Artie.
Please.
Okay.
Yay. Dance break, dance break, dance break, dance break.
Dance, Artie, dance!
That's a new move.
No, in all my years judging dance competitions, I have never, I mean really, never seen anything quite that perfect. 10.
Are you tired?
Yeah, that was exhausting.
It looks like fun.
Yeah, really good fun. Artie loves dance breaks.
Well, should we carry on with the drawing?
Oh, yeah.
Come on then.
Okay.
Now let's add a right ear. A nice wavy shaped line. Keep watching to see Artie have a potty break. Ooh. Now let's add the left ear. Let's try and make it look roughly the same shape and same size as the right one. Now let's give him some horns. Just 2 little lines and a circle. It's that simple. Let's do the same on the left side, Artie. 2 little lines and a circle. Now I think it's time we draw his long neck. Let's do a straight line coming down from the right side of his face all the way. What is that music?
Oh no! What's that music? It's Painty.
Look out! Uh-oh.
Very funny.
Barry, it's not funny. Now Painty's squirted yellow paint all over the place. Ugh. Well, that's it, Artie. Let's make his neck look thicker. Giraffes have long, thick necks. Then 2 little short lines, and then draw half a circle going from the top all the way down to the bottom. That's it. Now let's add a nice big curved line. We're making our giraffe a sort of H shape.
Shape?
Yes, H, you know, H for happy.
Ah.
Give him some little hooves.
Oh, Artie need potty.
You need a potty break?
Yeah, Artie need potty break real bad.
Okay, well, go on then.
Okay. Artie feels way better. Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on, let's carry on with the drawing. Now let's fill our H-shaped giraffe with lots of little circles, all different sizes, spread out all over the inside of our giraffe's body. This is going to really help us when we're colouring in later on. He sure has a very tall neck, Artie.
Yes, he does.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
You know what, Artie? We should give him a tail. Giraffes have big, swishy tails. Draw a nice S-shaped line and then a teardrop shape on the end. That's his tail.
I'm finished. Ooh.
You're finished, Artie. It looks great.
Yeah.
Should we colour it in?
Yeah, let's colour it in.
It's coloring time.
Artie's finished.
Great job, Artie. It came out really good.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
really good.
I love the colours.
Yeah,
Don't you wish you had a long neck?
no.
I
Wow.
bet you're pleased with it.
Yeah, Artie's very pleased.
Oh, good.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Bye, Artie. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.